Good afternoon, everybody. It's very nice to see you here to the local regional TV. Our TV started in 1991, and it's in 2011 it will be 20 years when we are here. So our TV has 8 workers which work full day here. And we also have some helpers who come to help when they have a larger project.
Tai einam dabar su manim. Čia yra televizijos smegenys, iš čia mes ištransliuojam savo programą.
We transmit our and not our programs from here. Our transmitter is, and we send our signal to...
Perdodam į įmonę, kur yra patalpintas mūsų siųstuvas.
To our enterprise, which has our transmitter.
Jis yra patalpintas patalpoje, kur yra 60 metrų aukštyje, taip? Man atrodo, taip. Aleksandrai, sakau.
This is the place about 60 meters high, and in that place our transmitter is.
Tai turbūt galėtume pasakyti, kad yra vienas aukščiausių pastatų Kėdainiuose.
And we can say that it is one of the highest buildings in Kėdainiai. We are not only local TV, but regional TV, and we can transmit our signal to 60 kilometers around.
60?
60.
60.
So in Vilnius they don't receive it?
No,
and
no.
Klaipėda also, and Šiauliai also, only this region?
Panevėžys.
That's not our main aim to show Kėdainiai to all Lithuania. But our main aim is to show our news to our people. Such regional television TVs are about 13 in Lithuania, and we belong to association of regional TVs.
And you exchange programs?
Keičiatės programą?
Yes.
Yes. We also have some direct programs where people can call and ask direct questions to the people who are interviewed.
Turim unikalią laidą Sveikinimų koncertas.
We have a unique program where you can greet your relative or neighbor or any person you know.
Kur žmonės savo draugus, artimuosius giminaičius gali pasveikinti bet kokią progą, vestuvių, gimtadienių ir taip toliau.
On any occasion, on wedding or some birthday or any other, and they can send a song. Yes. This TV was not private.
Ji priklausė savivaldybei, kultūros skyriui, tai savivaldybei.
It belonged to municipality.
O po to pagrindinį akcijų paketą įsigijo privatus asmuo.
And later the main packet of joints, how to say, a private person got bought.
When? What time?
Kada?
95 metais. 94 metų gruodžio pabaigoje.
1994.
Okay.
So the main actioner, the main sponsor of this TV is now in Europe Parliament.
Oh, so his house, okay.
So now we're going to the main studio, and this is the connection between this studio and the main studio, and when the direct programs are made here, so the direction is here, connection with some direct...
How many hours do you transmit the program?
Nuo 7 ryto, atsiprašau, nuo 8 ryto,
from 8 in the morning,
iki pusė 12 vakaro arba 1 valandos nakties. Taip, maždaug.
About 1 at night.
Okay. And the program is only yours, or you have also films, soap operas, Brazilian, all these things?
Mes retransliuojam programą.
So they retranslate all those films and everything, and then insert their own programs into that. Now you are in our main hall, main studio.
Taip pasako, kad ir BBC, mums ir pasakė žmogus, kuris rengia apšvietimą, kad ir BBC pradėjo būtent nuo tokios studijos.
So the person who made all those lights said that BBC started from such studio too. And the person who makes the direct programs is Stella herself.
The first steps of video studio was in our studio mėgėjas. It was about a year.
Everything started from and one more person, and they started, but and thought about the idea to make a TV, and all ideas came from them to that studio. Stella wants to add that she is a leader of this TV, and it's about 10 years already she's been working here.
Actually, you make also live transmissions from outside, from the town, from
mobile cameras, mobile
live transmission.
Tiesiogiai iš miestų neturite, ne? Kad tiesiogiai vaikštai ir ten...
There is a concert in the town, have to live
Ne, mes turėjom tokią galimybę, bet buvo pramogų centras, kuris dabar ir iš ten būdavo tiesiogiai transliuojam įvairius renginius, koncertus, net ir diskusijas, bet dabar mes visą aparatūrą perkeliam čia.
Okay. It was an opportunity. We had St. Person's Entertainment Center, which had those live cameras for concert and programs from there, but now all equipment is here because it's closed.
Važiuojam.
Labas vakaras, gerbėmieji Kėdainių krašto televizijos žiūrovai. Eteryje krašto naujienų laida. Šį vakarą matysite ir išgirsite. Uždarosios akcinės bendrovės Krekenava planuose žemės valdų plėtimas.
We have such a rule to make about 4 reports every day for our people.
Aišku, dar kultūros ir sporto renginių anonsas, informaciniai pranešimai, reklama, laikraščio apžvalga.
And also some info, short info about the news, announcing some future events and newspaper review.
The news bulletin is live transmitted? It's the same time when she's reading there,
Tiesiogiai? Ne. O gėlės kiekvieną kartą yra keičiamos. Ir suknelės kiekvieną kartą yra kitokios.
Yes, so that's the whole, the place where those dedication of songs, dedication of songs on birthday, on wedding,
okay, you can dance now.
As we are not for long here, and we are doing everything of our own money and not big money, but we are going to make that studio for that dedication concert, also called, to the big main studio, and to make more decorations.
Okay.
Einam dabar toliau.
Let's go for it.
This is not for
This is the place where the montage is made, not only for news but for other programs too. The concert and the dance lesson program also are here, but not the youth program. Youth program is made by themselves.
Rezultatas.
That's the result.
Einam daugiau. Ar dar norit ką nors paklausti? Gal paklausite? Ne, tai stovėti tikrai vietiniai.
Our television is very open and always going to some competitions. So all those certificates and gratitudes are on the wall, as you can see. And one of the programs was the best in Lithuania cultural program.
O žinios mūsų iš dabar yra 28 regioninės televizijos.
Now there are 28 regional TVs.
Pelnė antrąją vietą.
And the news got second place.
Jaunimo laida pirmąją.
The youth program the first one.
Ir šiaip konkursai tam ir yra rengiami, kad pasižiūrėtumėm, ką veikia kolegos, kaip jie dirba, su kuo jie dirba.
And competitions are held to look what the colleagues are making, what we are making, and compare that.
Ir tik tai tie galime pasidžiaugti, kad vis tik iš tiesų akcininkų dėka techninė bazė yra viena geriausių Lietuvoje.
Iš regionų.
Iš regioninių televizijų yra viena geriausių Lietuvoje.
And we are glad that our equipment is one of the best among regional TVs in Lithuania.
Ir visi žino turbūt, kad 2012 metais turėsim visi skaitmenizuotis.
And we know that in 2012 our lines, or how to say, will be digital, digital TV.
Ir Kėdainių krašto televizijos siųstuvas jau netgi yra pritaikytas, nes kadangi jis yra naujas, pritaikytas pereiti skaitmenį. Aišku, reikės šiek tiek investicijų, be abejo.
And our transmitter is made to be digital too, but we need still some finance.
Ir dabar nuolat susitinkam regioninių televizijų vadovai ir kalbam apie tai, kad ko gero reikia šiek tiek jungtis, daryti bendrą tinklą.
And the leaders of regional TVs always meet together and discuss that there must be a net, a common net.
Ir tada mūsų apriepties zona ir mūsų žiūrimumas išaugs, galim svajoti 5-6 kartus.
And our area of transmission and watching or being watched will be 5-6 times more bigger.
Čia vandenį.
Who wants champagne?